Turmeric is a delicious cooking seasoning and an excellent and powerful natural remedy. We always talk about the benefits of turmeric here on the channel. However, there are some dangerous interactions with this seasoning and some remedies. Pay attention to this list so you don't mess with your treatment. These interactions can increase, reduce, or cancel the effects of these remedies, sometimes even causing an opposite effect. The curious thing is that most of the elements that make turmeric so good are the same ones that can make it harmful when combined with antihistamines. Those who take antiallergics can get in trouble if they're also consuming turmeric. The interaction between both can, in fact, cause allergic reactions, causing episodes of urticaria or skin eruption or even shortness of breath and anaphylaxis. Anticoagulants. Turmeric has antithrombotic properties, which means it can reduce blood clots. This becomes dangerous if you already ingest remedies to dilute the blood. Using this seasoning along with anticoagulants can, in fact, strengthen its effects, increasing the risk of internal bleeding. Anticoagulants remedies include warfarin, clopidogrel, and aspirin. Are you enjoying this topic? Go ahead, leave a like, and if you want, share this with your friends. It helps the channel a lot. Diabetes medicine. Turmeric can naturally reduce sugar levels in our blood, but when taken along with diabetes remedies, can cause a sudden drop in blood sugar levels, leading to hypoglycemia. This can result in several side effects like anxiety, delirium, shivers, blurred vision, and reduced cognitive function. Antacids. Turmeric relieves irritable bowel syndrome, naturally normalizing the stomach's acid. But when mixed with drugs used to treat the gastroesophageal reflux, like cimetidine, famotidine, ranitidine, and omeprazole, it can cause some reactions. Taking it along with these remedies, it can lead to an increase of stomach acid production in our bodies, causing nausea, disturbances, stomach aches, and esophagus damage. Turmeric can sometimes have negative effects over your body regardless of remedies, since some people are intolerant to this seasoning. Its side effects can be skin eruptions, shortness of breath, or in worst case, anaphylactic shock after ingesting. Who would think that turmeric, considered such a healthy seasoning, could have this negative side? If you're consuming it for the first time, then take just a small sample as a test. If you're taking remedies, consult your doctor before ingesting turmeric to find out if there is any interaction between the active prescribed ingredient and the seasoning. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.